Nanonotek.
Coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now the coconut nut is a big nut. If you eat the cereal, it's not a nut. It's a cocoa fruit. The cocoa tree. It's the cocoa tree from the cocoa farm family. www.magicsing.com Enter the text.com, you'll find that thing. Tawag yan. Nut. Diba? Nut. Yan.
Ay, ganas.
Coconut tree, just a big house of the family. All you need is a coconut man. Coconut man, it's got
Jai! Ikaw sa coconut man.
It's a cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa tree. Oh, the cocoa tree. From the cocoa farm. From the cocoa farm family.
Dapat may backup singer.
Coconut bark.
Tumatawa na
Tumatawa na coconut boy. Bark.
Tumatawa na yung kalaban.
If you sing some
Sana pinata mo yan.
Lahati na nga.
Mo? Sino may kakapit na?
Second more.
Second floor.
It's beautiful. It can stand for years if you get the wood.
Now the coconut rose to tell you the truth.
Baka ka na.
Yourself a firewood. With a coconut living, chilling and
For
rose.
the roof, for the wall, up against the seams.